Good afternoon, everyone. This is the ongoing saga of trying to install my power antenna. So, I've been actually following ZJosh93's excellent replies to my power antenna wiring woes, but I've come into another snag and I think I made it a little bit worse. I was able to remove the connector box on the passenger side of the vehicle, but now when I do, she won't even go into a crank no start. She seems to be just going whirring. I'm actually going to try and start the car now to show you, so let's see what you can tell me. Note that I do not hear the fuel pump actually trying to prime at all, but I'm also not hearing any of the other normal electronics trying to click on as well, so I'm at a complete loss. If anybody has any idea, I would greatly appreciate it. Here's what I've actually gotten out. Like I said, I've got all of this torn out on the front side. So I'm at a complete loss as to what could be going on. So I want to thank you for taking a look at the video, and any input is greatly appreciated. As always, thank you, Jeep Foreign. You guys are the best.